Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday. When I woke up this morning I was 65 kilos, so I did not lose anything. I did not gain anything since yesterday. So yesterday I broke my fast after 18 hours of fasting. I broke my fast at around noon, 12:30 with a chocolate protein shake. And I actually got really hungry a few hours later, so I had 2 toasts and blue cheese with it. I did not go to the gym, so I have no workout to show you. I just did not have time at all to make it to the gym. But I did go for a walk, and I walked 15,548 steps for a total of 11.1 kilometers. When I say I didn't have time to go to the gym, I just want you to know that I really did not have time to do anything else and work. I did not watch TV that night. I was not on my phone, on social media. I wasn't having any kind of entertainment at night. Otherwise, I would have gone to the gym at night. I literally just finished work and went to bed. So when I skip the gym, it's either that I have an injury or that I can't make it there. Yes, I know I could do like a home workout, but I mean, I went out and I went for a walk. I needed to clear my head from work, but I did not fancy doing any kind of workout at home. So that's my choice and it's absolutely fine. In terms of last meal, I had the last portion of tofu, basmati rice and green peas. I had an appetizer, the carrot soup, but I didn't add any lentils simply because I wasn't that hungry. I did have a midday snack meal, so I didn't have dessert either. Actually the tofu was a bit much. I was thinking about leaving some, but then I finished my plate and I was pretty satisfied. So I finished eating at 7 p.m.
How I enter my data in Chronometer. Every time I enter an ingredient, it's always very precise. Here you have 29 gram, 1 gram, 6.75 grams, 104, 47. It's very rare. Now you can see 30, 25, 125, 250. You can see round numbers, but honestly, if you really are weighting everything and you're not estimating anything, then you will see odd numbers like this. And honestly, if you want to start getting real results from data analysis, if you want to understand why you're not losing weight, if you want to understand how many calories you're really ingesting, well, you need to be very precise, and the only way to be precise is to weigh everything. This is how I'm getting some odd 1,461 calories per day. It's not 450 or to 1,500. It's 1,461 calories. Now, obviously, there's a little bit of a mistake. There's always 10% they say off. But if you're cooking with everything that's really from scratch, you're not consuming things that are processed, then you're going to be pretty accurate. So this is what I wanted to show you, just so you have an idea. When I talk about my calories, I usually am referring to some very precise numbers and not just some estimates.
So I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.